morning, students. I'm Miss Priyanka Kutino. Today I will be teaching you a topic in Play, Do, Learn. Before that, before starting with the topic, I would like to recite a rhyme for you. Please listen carefully. Okay? What do you do? I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. What do you do? I'm a teacher. Everybody say your ABC. What do you do? I'm a doctor. I'm a doctor. I'm a doctor. I'm a doctor. What do you do? I'm a doctor. Everybody listen to your heartbeat. So students, did you like this poem?
Yes.
Yes. So now tell me, what is this picture about?
Girl is a teacher.
Yes, there's a girl and she's a
Teacher.
teacher. Okay. And now what is this?
Doctor.
Doctor. Is a doctor. So this teacher, doctor, what are this called as? They are doing their job. They are doing their job. Teacher, doctor, they are doing their job. In the same way, there are many jobs done by many people. We always, when we were small, we always dreamed of becoming something. Now, when I was small, that time I dreamed of becoming a teacher. And then, see, I am a teacher now. In the same way, everyone dreams of becoming something. And when they grow up, either they become teacher, they become a doctor, and there are many occupations, and every person choose their occupation. So today we are going to learn about occupations in our topic world of work. Kids, in this world, there are many types of jobs, many types, and each individual select their own job. Means whatever they want to become, they become. Like as I said before, I wanted to become a teacher, and now I am a teacher. In the same way, everyone dreams of becoming something. So it is a need. It is our need. Why do we select a job? Why do we do a job? Because it is our need. And we are going to learn in this chapter, we are going to learn something more about occupations. You can see in the picture, in the first picture, you can see there is a man and he is holding something in his hand. In the second picture, you can see there is a plant. In the third picture, you can see there is a man who is holding a stick and there is a fish. In the third picture, in the
Doctor.
fourth picture, it is a picture of a
Teacher. Teacher. Doctor.
teacher and doctor. Yes. So this all are the occupations. Occupations means job. Occupations mean job.
Job.
Yes. And when we do job, we spend our time in doing something. We spend our time in doing something. Like I am a teacher and when I go to school, that time I spend time with my children. I teach them. In the same way, each profession, in each job, what does the teacher do? what does the people do? They do something. They spend their time in doing something. Now I will show you the pictures. Observe it. Now what is the picture about?
Doctor.
Yes, it's a picture of doctor. Okay. Now what does the doctor do?
Doctor does
Doctor treats the patient. If you're not feeling well, if you're having fever, if you're having cough, then where does you go? You go to the doctor.
doctor
And what does the doctor do then? He gives you,
Patient.
yes, he checks you.
Patient.
Yes, you're a patient. If you're not feeling well, then you're a patient. And you go to the doctor. And what does the doctor do? Doctor checks you. And
Patient.
sometimes doctor gives you injection. And yes, mostly most of the small kids and even big people, they are scared of injection, right? And what else the doctor does? He gives you medicines. He gives you tablets or any syrup. He treats you. Now, what is this picture about?
Teacher
teacher
Yes,
and boy.
yeah, teacher. This picture is about teacher. And what does the teacher is doing in the picture?
learn
Learn. She's teaching. She is teaching.
teaching
Teaching.
Yes.
Teaching.
Right now, I am your teacher and I am teaching you something. So, what is the job of the teacher? Teacher teaches you. Teacher tells you stories. Teacher teaches you different subjects. Teacher plays games with you. So, these all things are done by your teacher. Now, what is the picture about?
fisherman
Boy. Lakdi. Fish.
Fish. There is a man, and
Fish.
in his hand there is a fishing rod, and this is called a fisherman. And what does this man do? A fisherman, he catches the fish. He catches the fish.
fish
Different types of fish fisherman catches. Now, what is this picture about?
farmer
Yes, this picture is about farmer. What does the farmer do? Yes, what does the farmer do?
crops
Ah, very good. A farmer grows or raises the crops. They grow different types of crops, and farmers are very important for us because they provide us food to eat, and food is very important for each and everyone. So farmer, what does the farmer do? They grow the crops, and they grow different types of crops, and these crops are very important for us. Now what is this picture about? Yes,
fisherman
there is a man and he is holding something in his hand. There is something in his hand. So, you like to eat different dishes? Yes? Yes. So, this man, he's called a chef. He's called a chef. And what does he do? He he makes different types of dishes to eat. Hmm. He make different dishes. Different dishes like whatever you like to eat, whatever is made by a chef, is made by a
Chef.
chef. He's a cook. He cooks. He's a cooks and he cooks different food items and he's called a chef. What is called?
Chef.
Chef. Very good. Now what is this picture about? There is a man and there is something in his both hands and he is called gardener. Gardener. You have seen the gardens. Yes, you go to the garden, right?
Yes.
What do you see in the garden? There are different types of plants. Yes, you see, na? So what
Yes.
does this gardener do? He
Gardening.
looks after, yes, gardening. He plants the small plants. Then what does he do? He looks after those plants. Whatever plants are there in the garden, he looks after those plants. He waters the plant. Then he feeds the plant. Then he trims the plant. Trims means trimming. Okay, a small part of a plant is cut. It means he like whole plant he don't remove. Very small part of the plant he cuts. So this is done by a gardener. Now what is this picture about? What is there in the picture? What is there? What you can see in the picture?
Girl is a flower.
Yes. There are
Flower.
many types of flowers and there is a girl in the picture. And they are, the girl is called as florist. The one
Florist.
who sells the flower. The one who sells the flower is called florist. You know, na different. You have seen different types of flowers, roses, and many types of flowers are there. What does they do? They make a bouquet. They make a bunch. They make a bouquet of those flowers and they sell it. So, florist. Florist means what? Repeat after me. Florist.
Floret.
Florist.
Florist.
Very good.
Floret.
Florist is the one who sells the flowers. Now, what is this picture?
Boy is a fruit.
Yes, there are many fruits, and there is a man who is
Seller.
yes. They are. This man is called as fruit seller or fruit vendor. What does he do? He sells different types of
Fruits.
fruits. He sells different types of
Fruits.
fruits. Now, can you name some fruits?
Orange, watermelon,
Yes,
Watermelon.
yes, orange, watermelon,
mango,
yes,
Apple.
apple. Very good, very good. There are different types of fruits, and the one who sells the fruit is called a fruit seller or fruit vendor. Now, what is this picture about? Yes, there is a man in the picture,
Man.
and he is doing something. What is he doing? He's a carpenter.
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 painter,
Carpenter. What does the carpenter do? He makes different furniture.
Making
Furniture
chair,
means
making table,
makes table, then chairs, then
benches,
cupboards, then doors. These are done by the carpenter. These things are done by the carpenter.
bench,
Yes, bench in school. When you go to school, on what you sit? You sit on bench and desk. Am I right? Yes, you sit on bench and desk. And this bench and desk is made from wood, and this is made by a carpenter. That is made by a carpenter.
carpenter,
Very good. What is this?
builder,
Builder. Is called mason. Is called mason.
mason,
He
mason,
builds a house using bricks, using stones, big, big bricks he use
house,
to make house.
house,
Yes. Wherever we live, those houses are made by this masons. This those houses are made by the mason. Repeat after me, mason.
mason,
Very good. Now what is this?
yes,
There are two girls and one is teaching something. Girls, boys. Boys wear shirts, pants, right? And girls, they wear frocks, they wear skirt, they wear tops. So,
tailor,
yes, this is a tailor. And what does the tailor do? Tailor stitches the clothes for us. Tailor stitches the clothes for us. See, we are wearing clothes. Boys wear shirts, pants, girls wear frocks, skirts, tops. So this all clothes are stitched by the tailor. This all clothes are stitched by the tailor. These are some common occupation done by the people, selected by the people to fulfill their needs. There are many other occupations. Many other occupations like engineer, architect, nurse, plumber, driver. These are very few which we have seen, but there are many. So, can you name some other occupations? Any other occupations you know? Yes.
I know,
Yes, please answer. Occupations. We saw few occupations. We saw few occupations, but there are many other occupations like, yes, shopkeeper, vegetable seller, driver,
driver,
nurse. There are
nurse,
many occupations. Now, can you tell me what you will be? What is your dream of becoming? What you will become when you grow up? Yes, everyone wants to become something. Like when I was small, like you.
printing,
doctor,
Very good, doctor. Then yes, for this, what you have to do? If you want to become something in life, then what you have to do? You have to study hard. You have to work hard. You have to study a lot. If you study, then you will be able to become something. Who said doctor? Who wants to become doctor?
eh,
Yes, Shruti, very good. For this, what you have to do? You have to study. You have to study. You have to work hard. Very good. Is there in the picture? What is there? There are fruits. There are fruits in the picture. And the one who sells fruit is called fruit seller. The one who sells the fruit is called fruit seller or else fruit vendor. Okay. And what is the spelling? F-R-U-I-T, fruit, V-E-N-D-O-R, vendor, fruit vendor. Now observe the second picture. What is there in the picture? At least tell me what is there in the picture.
Chef.
Chef, very good. There's a chef in the picture. And what is the spelling of chef? C-H-E-F. Chef. And what does the chef do?
Cooks.
Yes, he cooks. He makes or he cooks different dishes. Now, what is there in the third picture? What you can see? What you can see? There are flowers, right? There are flowers in the picture. And the one who sells flowers is called florist. Repeat after me. Florist. Florist. So the one who sells the flower is called florist. F-L-O-R-I-S-T-S. Florist. Repeat after me. Florist. Very good. Now what is this fourth picture? There is a man and that man is called as fisherman. He is doing fishing. What is he doing? He is catching the fishes. And the one who catches the fishes is called as fisherman. And the spelling of fisherman is F-I-S-H-E-R-M-A-N. Fisherman. Okay. So the one who catches the fish is called fisherman. And what is this last picture about? Last picture. Belgadi. But what is it doing? What the man is doing? The man in the picture is called a, what is he called? He's called a farmer. He's farming. He's doing something. He's plowing. The one in the picture is a farmer. And what does the farmer do? He grows crops for us. He grows crops for us. So what is the spelling of farmer?
F-A-R-M-E-R.
Farmer. Very good. Very good. So kids, so now you're able to identify the occupations, right? Now, one question I will ask you. What does the florist do? What does the florist do? Florist.
Flowers.
Yes, very good. They sells the florist sells the flowers. So they sell natural flowers. Whatever the flowers are there in the garden or wherever, they sells the flower. Now I will give you a small homework. Okay. So what is this?
Flowers.
Yes, I have drawn I have made 2 flowers using craft paper. You liked it?
Yes.
Yes. So what you have to do, with the help of your parents, you have to make any flower, whatever you want to make, any flower, any design ka flower you can make, and you have to stick it on the paper. You have to stick it on the
Paper.
paper. Very good. Any flower. Okay, any flower you can make using what you have to use. You have to use craft paper. You have to use craft paper or any color paper you can use. And what you should make, you should make flowers and you have to stick it on the paper. Okay. Now one more thing I've done. What does the fruit seller do? He sells the
Fruits
fruits.
giving.
Yes, he sells the fruit. So what I have done, see, I have made us fruit, okay, using paper. Okay, so you can make fruits or you can draw whatever. If you want to do cutouts, you can do cutouts, or you can draw it on the drawing paper. You can draw different types of fruits. So this is your homework. This is your homework. This is what you have to do for homework. You have to make flowers using color papers, and you have to make or you have to draw the fruits, and you can take your parents' help. With the help of your parents, you have to do this. Okay. Now what you have to do? If you liked my video, you have to press the like button. You have to subscribe our BMC channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.